Hey, what's up, guys? Josh here, and happy Saturday if you're watching this on the day that I uploaded it on, which should be Saturday. Anyway, today's video is a little bit of a silly one. I just uploaded a video yesterday where I walked through all of the different neural filters in Adobe Photoshop. So that got me thinking, what would happen if you took a photo and ran it through the same neural filter multiple times? And in this case, I had the smart portrait filter in mind. Let me show you what I mean. All right, so we're starting with this photo, which you should recognize if you watched yesterday's video. We're going to go to Filter, Neural Filters, and then we're going to go to Smart Portrait and toggle it on. And then we're going to go to our first slider here, Happiness, and we're going to slide it. For starters, let's just go 25. And you can see that it's given her a smile. Now, because none of her teeth were showing in the original photo, it has given her some weird teeth. So if we zoom in, they are definitely AI-generated teeth. They don't look quite right. Let's actually dial that down to, say, +10. And it still looks kind of weird. Usually less is more with these kind of filters. But you know what? Let's go ahead and dial it up to 50. Let's see what happens. All right, so you see that our eyes have changed a little bit. We have a big kind of creepy smile. We can toggle this on and off, see before and after. All right, that's a little bit creepy there. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit OK, and I'm gonna choose my output as my current layer. Now, what happens if we go to Filter, back into our neural filters, and we do the exact same thing again? So I'm going to take Happiness up to +50, all the way up. Dear God in heaven! Alright, so that's, that's getting pretty creepy there. Let's see, we've generated some more lip. The mouth has definitely gotten larger. The eyes are squinting more. Let's go ahead and hit OK. And we're going to run it one more time. All right, here we go. Oh my, that's starting to get pretty cartoonish there. All right, I'm going to hit OK. And let's try it one more time. I have a feeling that we've kind of reached our peak here, but let's go ahead and try boosting it one more time. All right, so yeah, now it's just starting to look like a mess. So I think that last one is probably where we would want to stop. Okay, so you'll note that in this original photo, she's not showing any teeth. But what if we have a model that's showing teeth to begin with and even has like a large smile? How far can we take it then? All right, so we're gonna switch to this photo. Absolutely massive smile on this person. Apologies. We're gonna go Filter, Neural Filters, Smart Portrait, and we're just gonna go for it. 50 +50 on the Happiness. Oh my, oh my. I think we generated some new teeth, and they're a little bit cruddy down here. Oh, that is very disturbing. That is a creepy bottom row of teeth there. All right, but we're going in the right direction. And look at her. What's happening with her eyes? Did her pupils change? Are those cat eyes? What's happening right now? Okay, I'm gonna hit OK, and you know the drill. We're gonna go back into our neural filters. Now, you can also go to Filter and hit Neural Filters up here at the top. Your last used filter and its settings are always going to appear at the top of your Filters menu, but I'm not going to use that because I've found that it takes some more time to use it that way, and you can't see your progress. So instead of just wondering if the program's frozen or not, I just like to open up the Neural Filters menu again. Smart Portrait. Here we go. Oh no. No. All right. We have some real janked up teeth. We got something's going on with the eyebrows here. They tried to open up this part of the eye. I don't know what that's about. The nose is distorted. Oof. I think this might be as far as we can go with it, but we're going to try one more time. All right, here we go. Okay, yep. So that's as far as we can go without it being super distorted. That is excellently creepy. I will give it that. Well done, Adobe. I don't know what the AI is smoking, but your neural engine is ooh, buddy. All right, all that said, I highly recommend you play around with the neural filters if you haven't already. Download them all, try them all. You might use them in one of your projects. So far, the most useful thing for me has been the restore and colorize, which I demonstrated in another one of my videos with an old photo. But anyway, that's all I have for you today. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you don't have Photoshop yet, there's a link in the description below where you can get a free trial. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.